Keeping your tires in check is easier now more than ever. With TPMS sensors in place, your car tells you if pressure is out of whack and even gives a live reading of tire pressure in some cases. With this system in place, you have almost no excuse not to be running the right tire pressure at all times. 1. JDiag 2-in-1 TPMS Return Tool. The JDiag 2-in-1 TPMS Return Tool Super is a great 2-in-1 product. It works for Ford and GM vehicles, dating back to 2006. It also comes with many features that make it simple to use. There is an LED light that notifies you of the battery life, a tool for resetting keypads, and it shows you when it's working with an orange light. Overall, it's a simple and effective product. 2. VXDAS Auto Tire Pressure Monitoring Sensor. The VXDAS Auto Tire Pressure Monitoring Sensor is a simple TPMS tool that works for vehicles manufactured by General Motors. The device runs on 9-volt batteries and resets your vehicle's tire pressure sensor after tire rotations. There are also some quality of life features, including an LED indicator for low battery, an LED indicator for when tire pressure is reset, and a tool for controlling remote door locks. If you have a vehicle made by General Motors, the VXDAS Auto Tire Pressure Monitoring Sensor is a great tool to have at your disposal. After tire rotations, tire changes, or even blowouts, this product can reset your vehicle's system for the proper tire pressure. 3. Autel MaxiTPMS TS508WF KIT. Autel is a reputable brand that's very popular for its automotive diagnostic tools. The MaxiTPMS TS508, one of the products in the series, is a tool that does more than just monitor air pressure. It can scan, relearn, program, and display sensor information. It comes with a color screen that shows you the different values. This TPMS tool activates recognized OEM and universal TPMS sensors. It also offers direct access to your vehicle's engine control unit, ECU, so you can use it to clear diagnostic trouble codes and to reprogram sensor IDs. You can also utilize its quick mode to quickly access data. Making for the most complete, high-tier package, it comes with 8 Autel MX sensors. The TPMS Relearn feature grants you access to the vehicle's engine control unit for quick diagnostics. 4. Autel MaxiTPMS TS508WF TPMS System. If you're looking for a TPMS tool that comes with free updates, this is it, as Autel provides free updates for life. The company also says the device is compatible with 98% of cars. However, Autel TPMS tools typically work most effectively with Autel sensors, and not all cars have Autel sensors mounted up. This scan tool checks the TPMS sensor ID and stores the information for future reference. It activates many forms of magnetically triggered and tire deflation triggered sensors that are found in tire pressure monitoring systems. It also has the ability to test your key fob to determine the right frequency. The screen displays various metrics, including the make of a car. One of the best things about this tool is that it stores the details of previous settings. 5. HUNBIL FIN-TPMS Relearn Tool. The Humble FIN-TPMS Relearn Tool is a must-have tool for tire pressure sensor replacement, tire pressure alarm removal, or tire replacement. This upgraded tool, the HUNBIL FIN-TPMS tool, is more efficient and ensures your safety. With just 3 simple steps, you can easily reset all your tires. This tool is compatible with most General Motors vehicles from 2006 to 2022, including sedans, SUVs, and pickups. It saves you time and money by quickly and accurately activating the tire pressure sensor within 1 to 2 minutes. You no longer need to go to an auto repair shop, as this tool allows you to fix the issue yourself. 6. OBD Resource TPMS Relearn Tool. The OBD Resource TPMS Reset Tool is the perfect automotive tire pressure monitor sensor reset tool for vehicles equipped with 315 433 MHZ tire sensors. It is designed for Chevy, Buick, Opel, Cadillac, and other cars, SUVs, and pickups from 2006 to 2022. With this tool, you can easily reset the tire sensor within 1 to 2 minutes after tire rotations or changing a new tire, replacing the tire pressure sensor, or when the tire pressure indicator light is on.